Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude now trading at a level of $73.27. Okay, and there is a higher chances that it can move further low, because see, if you look at this particular candle, what we have seen, there is a doji candle has formed on a week chart, and chances was very high that the price can go further low. Okay, so what about the doji candle, then the next candle, because see, we have seen there's a buy, and so what, it was very high chances that when the price of doji sees, when the doji candle form and the other candle is red, probability is high it comes down. Okay, this is what we have seen in the charts. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, if you look at this particular chart, there is a U pattern has formed. Okay, so if the price sustained above a level of 74.4, chances of going further upside we can see looking at the weekly chart. Okay, but if the price started falling below a level of 72.8, we can see there can be a further downfall will be there. Okay, and then a further fall we can see towards 70.6, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall will be there. Okay, but suppose if the price moving above this particular level, probability of touching 75.5 will be there, and from there it will move above a level of $77.7. Okay, so looking at this particular chart, there is a higher chances that if the price moving above 77.7, we can see a further upside. But if the price started falling below a level of around 66.9, we can see a further downfall. Okay, this is the range. Okay, and then a probability of moving below a level of 75.9 will be there. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, and now coming on the dollar index, I've already explained you that the dollar index now trading above a level of $107.5. Okay, and this is the strong support we have seen. The price has already touched this level and bounced back. We have seen the price moving out this level, it can touch level of $109.4, and from there a level of around $110. $110. So if the price starts above that particular level, we can see it will cross above a level of 110.2, and then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and if it started going up this level, we can see a level of $110.8, and then a further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come again towards a level of $108, and from there a further fall we can see towards 107.3. Okay, and once the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 106.4 will be there. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular level, we will see it will fall below level 106.1, and then a further fall. Okay, so when I'm saying that the dollar index started going upside, we will see the crude price will come down. Okay, and if the dollar index started going down, we will see the crude price will go up. This is what we have seen in this. Okay, but sometime what happened, that suppose, see, whenever you start to trade, put your asset, so capital will be saved. Okay, and once you in profit, try to trail that thing, so you will save some profit what you are making. So you have to trail your asset, so profit will be saved. Now coming back on the crude price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, and chances are high that the price is forming a U pattern, and we can see there is a chances that once started going up this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $74.2. Okay, if the price moving over 74.2, a further upside movement we can see toward $75.17, and if the price moving above that particular level, a probability of touching 75.6 will be there. 75.17 is already being tested, so chances are high it will touch a level of 75.6, and if it started going up this level, we can see it will go further upside, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 76.96 will be there. Okay, and if the price moving off that particular level, chance of touching 78 will be there, because this level is already being tested, so probability of crossing 78 we can see, and if the price moving off this level, it will touch a level of 80.5. This 80.5 is already being tested, so chances of touching 81 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see towards a level of 82.6, and then a further high we can see towards a level of $84.5. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above that level, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Okay, again I repeat, if the price sustain of this level, we can see a level of around 74.7, and from there it will touch a level of 75.5, and then to a level of, after 75.5 it can cross a level of 77.7, which is already being weak. So after this level we can see it will cross level of 70, and then it can touch a 79.9, and then a further upside movement we can see towards a level of around $80 to a level of 81.9, and then a further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of 73.15. If the price moving below that level, we can see a level of 72. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards $71.3. So a bounce back can come. But if the price started falling below this level 71.3, we can see a level of 68.3, which is already being tested. So chances are high the price will fall below a level of 67.14, and then there will be a zone breakout. So further downfall we can see towards a level of around $64.8, and then a further downfall because there will be a zone breakout after a very long time. So chances of crossing a level of around 65.5 to a level of $64 we can see, and then it will touch a level of 64.29, and then to a level of $63.3. Okay, probability will be very high after crossing 65.5, or further downfall will be there, and then a probability of touching 63.7, then to a level of 62.48, and then to a level of 61.7, which is already being tested. So chances of moving further low will be there. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail id is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel subscribe. Thank you.